Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something that often goes unnoticed until it's too late: kidney disease. Our kidneys are small but mighty organs that play a crucial role in keeping us alive and healthy. Yet, many of us don't give them much thought until something goes wrong. By the end of this talk, I hope you'll have a better understanding of how your kidneys work, the warning signs of kidney disease, and what you can do to protect these vital organs. Understanding kidney function. Let's start with the basics. What do your kidneys actually do? These two bean-shaped organs, located on either side of your spine, are your body's natural filtration system. Every day, they filter about 50 gallons of blood to remove waste, toxins, and excess fluids, which are then excreted as urine. But that's not all. Your kidneys also regulate blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and even produce hormones that help make red blood cells. When your kidneys are functioning well, you probably don't even notice them. But when they start to fail, the effects can ripple through your entire body. That's why it's so important to recognize the early signs of kidney disease. Key signs and symptoms. Kidney disease is often called a silent killer because it can progress without noticeable symptoms until significant damage has occurred. However, there are some warning signs you should never ignore. 1. Urinary changes. One of the earliest signs of kidney trouble is a change in your urination patterns. You might find yourself needing to urinate more frequently, especially at night, or notice a decrease in the amount of urine you produce. The appearance of your urine can also change. It may become foamy, indicating protein leakage, a condition called proteinuria. Or you might see blood, which is a red flag for kidney damage. 2. Swelling edema. When your kidneys aren't filtering properly, fluid can build up in your body, leading to swelling in your legs, ankles, feet, or even your face. This is known as edema, and it's a common symptom of kidney dysfunction. 3. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling constantly tired or weak. This could be due to anemia, a condition that occurs when your kidneys fail to produce enough erythropoietin, a hormone that helps your body make red blood cells. Without enough red blood cells, your body struggles to transport oxygen, leaving you feeling drained. 4. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath can occur for two reasons: either fluid is building up in your lungs, a condition called pulmonary edema, or anemia is depriving your body of oxygen. Both are potential signs of kidney disease. 5. High blood pressure. High blood pressure is both a cause and a consequence of kidney disease. When your kidneys are damaged, they struggle to regulate blood pressure, creating a vicious cycle that can further harm your kidneys. 6. Gastrointestinal issues. Nausea, vomiting, and a loss of appetite are common symptoms of advanced kidney disease. You might also notice a metallic taste in your mouth, or experience ammonia breath, both of which are caused by the buildup of toxins in your body. 7. Muscle and nerve symptoms. Electrolyte imbalances caused by kidney dysfunction can lead to muscle cramps, twitching, or even restless leg syndrome. These symptoms can be particularly disruptive at night, affecting your sleep. 8. Skin changes. Itchy or dry skin can be a sign that your kidneys are struggling to maintain the right balance of minerals and nutrients in your body. This symptom is often overlooked but can be an early indicator of kidney problems. 9. Cognitive effects. Finally, toxin buildup in the blood can affect your brain, leading to trouble concentrating, confusion, or even insomnia. If you're experiencing these symptoms along with others on this list, it's time to see a doctor. Risk factors. Now that we've covered the symptoms, let's talk about who is most at risk. The leading causes of kidney disease are diabetes and high blood pressure, which together account for about 2/3 of all cases. Other risk factors include a family history of kidney disease, being over the age of 60, obesity, cardiovascular disease, chronic use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen, smoking, recurrent kidney infections. If you fall into any of these categories, it's especially important to monitor your kidney health. Diagnosis. So, how is kidney disease diagnosed? Doctors use a combination of tests to assess kidney function. Blood tests, these measure levels of creatinine and blood urea nitrogen BUN, which are waste products that your kidneys should be filtering out. The estimated glomerular filtration rate (eGFR) is another key metric that shows how well your kidneys are working. Urine tests. A simple urine test can detect protein or blood, both of which are signs of kidney damage. Imaging, ultrasounds or CT scans can provide a detailed look at your kidneys to identify structural issues. Biopsy. In rare cases, a small sample of kidney tissue may be taken to determine the exact cause of the disease. Prevention and management. The good news is that kidney disease is often preventable. And even if you're already at risk, there are steps you can take to protect your kidneys. 1. Control underlying conditions. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, managing these conditions is your first line of defense. Keep your blood sugar and blood pressure within target ranges to reduce the strain on your kidneys. 2. Adopt a kidney-friendly diet. A diet low in sodium and moderate in protein can help reduce the workload on your kidneys. Depending on your condition, you may also need to limit foods high in phosphorus or potassium. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys flush out toxins. However, if you're in the later stages of kidney disease, your doctor may recommend limiting fluid intake. 4. Avoid nephrotoxic substances. Certain medications, like NSAIDs, can harm your kidneys if used excessively. Smoking and heavy alcohol use are also major risk factors. 5. Regular monitoring. If you're at risk, regular checkups can catch kidney problems early, when they're most treatable. When to seek help. If you notice persistent symptoms like swelling, fatigue, or changes in urination, don't wait. See a healthcare provider. Early intervention can make a huge difference in slowing or even preventing the progression of kidney disease. Treatment options for those diagnosed with kidney disease. Treatment depends on the stage of the disease. Medications, drugs like ACE inhibitors or ARBs can help reduce proteinuria and protect your kidneys. Erythropoiesis stimulating agents may be prescribed for anemia. Advanced stages, in severe cases, dialysis or a kidney transplant may be necessary to replace lost kidney function. Important notes before I wrap up. I want to emphasize 2 key points. Early stages are often asymptomatic. You can lose up to 90% of your kidney function before experiencing symptoms. That's why regular screening is so important, especially for high-risk individuals. Symptoms can overlap. Conditions like urinary tract infections or heart failure can mimic the signs of kidney disease. Always consult a healthcare provider for an accurate diagnosis. Conclusion. In conclusion, your kidneys are essential to your overall health, and taking care of them should be a priority. By recognizing the early signs of kidney disease, addressing risk factors, and seeking medical advice when needed, you can protect these vital organs and maintain a better quality of life. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Thank you for your attention, and take care of your kidneys. They'll thank you for it.